Good morning, this is Alamon, and welcome back to Human Resource Machine, where we have not quite optimized everything, it looks like, but that's alright. Maybe we'll try to do that later. Sub-hallway, year 11. Subtraction, I never learned that in school, did you? We're a good team. For each two things in the inbox, first subtract the first from the second and put the result in the outbox. And then subtract the second from the first and put the result in the outbox. Repeat. Okay, so grab something from the inbox, copy it to 0. Grab something else from the inbox, copy it to 1. Now we're holding the second number, and we need to subtract the first from the second. So the floor from what we're holding. We're holding the second, and now we want to subtract the first from it and take it to the outbox. Now we need to copy the first number and subtract the second number from it. Copy that to the outbox and jump back to the beginning. I think this will do it. So we'll put 1 here, we'll put 5 here, we'll subtract 1 from 5 to get 4, stick it in the outbox. Then we'll grab 1, subtract 5 from 1, get -4, stick it in the outbox. That's what I'm expecting for this first set of runs. We got our 4. Pick that up, subtract -4. Yeah, let's speed it up. There we go, and I'm not sure how we could possibly do that any more efficiently, so hopefully we nailed it in 1. 10 and 40, alright. 12, tetracontiplier. What a wonderful feeling when all of your work over the last few years all comes together and culminates in a well-executed assignment. Multiply it by 40. Okay. Okay. Inbox. Oh, whoops. Yeah. 1x. Add. Copy to. Now we have 2x. Add. Now we have 4x. Copy to. Now we have 8x. Copy to. Now we have 16x. Uh, 16x plus 16x plus 8x will give us 40. Stick it in the outbox. Alright, so let's follow along. 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x, 16x, and 40x. I did it, alright. And again, I don't need to use all of those slots, but we're not penalized for doing so, so may as well use all of them. So we really only needed 2 memory locations in order to do that properly. Alright. Equalization room. Sometimes some numbers are bigger than other numbers, and sometimes they are the same. How can we know? I read about that here in this great book. Which number are you for the aspirational 0? You can borrow it later. Get 2 things from the inbox. If they are equal, put one of them in the outbox. Discard non-equal pairs. Repeat. So we have jump if 0. That's how we're going to do this. So we need to grab something from the inbox. Can I? Yeah, I don't need that in there. Copy it to 0. Grab something else from the inbox. Subtract 0. Jump if 0 to the outbox. Otherwise, do that. Because if two numbers are equal and you subtract it from itself, you get 0. So that's how we know if we subtract them and the answer is 0, we... Oh, I'm skipping a step. Ha ha ha. Ah, good thing I walked through that in my head a little more. Yeah, we need to pick up the original number again, because otherwise we'd just be putting a 0 in the outbox. We'd be mixing up our logic with our data. Okay, let's give it a go. So... these are not equal. Alright, next we have an equal set. So we should subtract, get a 0, pick it up again, and put it in the outbox. Speed it up a little bit. Oh, there we go. It works. I don't know if that's the most efficient. Oh, just one step above. Well, I'm going to say that's good enough for now. Maximization room. So I think we're going to do this next one, and then we'll end with the cutscene. There's been a change of plans. The accounting department has determined that treating all numbers equally is no longer profitable. Management wants the big numbers only. Grab 2 things from the inbox and put only the bigger of the 2 in the outbox. So this is essentially the same as the last program, actually. Grab inbox, copy to 1, subtract... No, well, okay, that's... I skipped grabbing from the inbox. So now, if the second number is bigger than the first number... No, sorry. I do need to copy to 1. Okay. So now the first number is in slot 0. The second number is in slot 1. We now subtract the first number from the second number. In this case, we're saying 6 minus 5 is 1. That means 6 is bigger. So, jump if negative. So if the first number is bigger, then we need to copy from the first number and stick it in the outbox. If they are 0... Actually, no, I don't need to bother with that. If... No... Oh, no. Here we go. Copy from... I think I got it. So we pull both numbers out, we compare them. If the second number is bigger than the first number, no, I think I mixed these up. Then we pick up the second number again. Is that right? You know what? Let's just play this. So now we subtract... Oh, no, I did have it right the first time. Put down 6, that's bigger. Put down 1, subtract. We get a negative, so then we copy from the first number again, put it in the outbox. Next... Well, negative 3 is again larger than... Okay. They're the same, so it doesn't matter which one we pick. What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I see what I missed. So now we're back to the top of the program again. Speed that up a little bit. These ones are the same. We already successfully tested that case. Alright, that worked. Alright, it was not the most efficient though. Well, I can always go back later. Now let's watch this cutscene. Employee morale insertion.
And that, ladies, is how I saved a bundle on my long-distance telephone service. Back to work, everyone.
A massive army of machines has surrounded the city.
Oh, that's
The
nice.
machines are not moving, and they are not communicating. Local authorities are investigating.
Little ominous there. Well, we'll just have to use our programming prowess, I suppose. Alright, we achieved a career milestone, so that's a good place to end an episode. Good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bits bite. Bye-bye.